In the first reading for today's liturgy, we hear the story of Aaron and Miriam and Moses. And Aaron and Miriam are complaining to God because they feel Moses isn't worthy of his leadership position, that he doesn't speak truth because he's married to a Cushite, he's married to a foreign woman. Well, God takes offense at this. God is pretty angry about this complaint from Miriam and Aaron, and he says, "Oh no, Moses is my guy. You should listen to him. He is speaking the truth." And he becomes so angry, God becomes so angry that Miriam is struck with leprosy. And as the reading says, she becomes a snow white leper. You know, there are times when we don't want to hear the truth. We don't want to hear someone's message because the messenger, we believe, is somehow not worthy. The messenger is too much of this or not enough of that. In other words, they don't meet up to our standards. But I think one of the messages that we can take from today's first reading is that we should never judge the truth of the message strictly or simply on the basis of the worthiness of the messenger. Sometimes those people who we don't deem to be worthy, who aren't smart enough, who aren't good looking enough, who aren't experienced enough, who aren't whatever, are and can speak the truth to us. Let us listen with ears and minds open.